what's up? Sami here.
I'm Sami.
And today we are going to unbox and review the newly released Xiaomi Band 8 Pro and compare with the Mi Band 8.
Mi Band 7 Pro.
And yeah, to see the difference, whether you should upgrade or not. Let's get started. So, okay, cool. And also they have a simple manual. And one thing I noticed is the strap. As you can see, they have a new design. And in case you want to know if the bands are compatible, let me try for you. They're not even close. To wear the strap, first you have to fix this first. Like you have to fix this, and then you let it go through like that, and then fix with another coil, and that's it. Then you're good to go. Alright, so that is the unboxing of the Mi Band 8 Pro. So let's take a look at this band. This is a 1.74 inch AMOLED display, which compared to the 7 Pro is 18% larger, as you can see. And one thing you have to notice is for the 8 Pro, it is like flat, not like on the 7 Pro, it's like this kind of curve. Which one do you like most? And compared to the Mi Band 8, it is like 75% larger. So we'll just put it here so you can see the difference. At the bottom, we have a bigger sensor on the Mi Band 8 Pro, as you can see here. And there you have it. Mi Band 8, Mi Band 8 Pro, and Mi Band 7 Pro. The top. Let's get on to the gesture controls. So swipe down, we get the notifications, swipe up, all those, pre-installed apps. Okay, it's basically the same as the Mi Band 7 Pro, so I'm not gonna walk you through everything. So this is to connect with the phone to take pictures or something. And swipe left, you get to see sports and monitoring, like this heart rate monitoring, sleep, and Alipay, WeChat Pay, and Xiaomi voice assistant. Okay, here we have the shortcuts like DND mode, alarm, and here we have the display. Okay, where you can adjust the brightness, auto. Okay, now we're testing auto brightness. So right now here you can see, so when we put more light on, yeah, you can see it's brighter, right? Now it's darker. Oh yeah, this is obvious, right? Speaking of which, we have an awesome zoomable flashlight from Hiram. This is an incredibly bright torch that boasts up to 3,000 lumens. Let's compare the flash from a phone to the one from Hiram. The difference is truly remarkable. This versatile torch can be utilized in various ways. It's easy to carry. For instance, I will always take it outdoors to explore snails with my daughter at night. Moreover, I have the option to mount it on my bike to enhance safety. As the official information suggests, it can even be affixed to the firearm. Furthermore, it has the capability to be attached to the metal surface, aiding you in your tasks, all thanks to its magnetic mount. Equipped with Type-C charging, it provides up to 25 hours of battery life at its lowest brightness mode. It features 5 different modes. One feature I particularly appreciate is the strobe mode, which can not only act as a deterrent against threats, but also serve as a light signal, ensuring optimal safety. This is unquestionably a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts and the perfect companion for the Xiaomi Band 8 Pro. It will soon be available on Amazon, and I'll put a link in the description. Please check it out. And now, let's back to the Xiaomi Band 8 Pro. One of the changes I have to mention is the pre-warm training. Like it has this kind of pre-warm up. So like you can warm up. It has this kind of 3D animation, pre-warm training feature. So you can just do, as it says. So I haven't seen this feature on any other smart bands. It supports this kind of animation. That means it has a really good chipset, otherwise it cannot operate, right? GNSS positioning, maybe this is the most significant upgrade. And what that means is it now supports Beidou, GPS, GNSS, Galileo, and QGNSS, and this allows for faster connections. Just like its predecessors, it also supports its app, Mi Fitness. So yeah, I've talked a lot about this before, so I'm not going to walk you through every detail about it. First tab is Health. Here you can get an overall review of your sleep, your heart rate, your steps, the calories you burned, this kind of thing. Workouts, and here it offers numerous workouts and also some trainings. And just like the Mi Band 8, it supports that kind of boxing. And I just put a clip of that here. Device here, it's all about the device. Okay, profile, it's all about you. And that's basically the app, okay? Alright, let's unbox and the first look at the Xiaomi Band 8 Pro. Sami, what do you think about it?
I think this will really depend on what kind of person you are. For example, if you are the kind of person who really needs some accurate information, or maybe you really like to use the GPS, and maybe you can upgrade. But for some people like me, that the most important feature for me is just like checking the sleepy, and then you can see I'm not the sport girl.
Now you're in good shape.
So I have also the 7 Pro. I would keep the 7 Pro and wait for the next one.
Yeah.
So really depending on what kind of person and daily life you use, right?
Yeah. So for me, just to be honest, I just don't think you need to upgrade. If you own the Mi Band 8 or 7 Pro, just don't need to upgrade. Just a little bit, bigger screen, and also that 3D animation.
Yeah.
What's the point of that?
I think it's really cool, the 3D animation.
Yeah.
But after you get used to warm up by yourself, I think you don't even look at that anymore. Right?
Yeah, exactly. Like for me, like the most used feature on the Mi Band, always the sedentary reminder. It reminds me like every 1 hour because I sit too much in front of the computer, and that's it. I see them use it to exercise. This is already too much for us. But
if you don't have the Band 8 or Band 7 Pro, I think it's worth for the buy. Right?
Yeah, I think so. Just this is once and for all. Just buy and get it, and I can use for 5 years or 6 years.
And for the price is also very affordable. But if you already have, maybe you can think about if you should change or not.
Right, what else?
And we have a lot of videos today because Xiaomi just released a lot of products. So we will also have the video about Xiaomi Mix Fold 3, also the K60 Ultra, Xiaomi Pad 6
Max 14,
the huge one.
So that's the simple hands-on video, and please don't subscribe.
Please subscribe. Forget what Sami said. Subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up.
Exactly. Don't forget to subscribe. All right. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay, great.